the 2029 President of the Republic, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud.
Abuza from Mamunya Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm this like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major also. For you need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mechanism be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Lastly, the 2029 President of the Republic, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, Mamichianapa, Oze, no Shebebri, Edemagana, Oyebi, Bema baby, Bawayenina. It's your Cassia man, quite no mere mampeni, Cobea mampenia, and Gazanio may be against you. Say, in show you found Crufukum, in Kentis Adiano, because our ideas or acquire a fast way solve a problem. It may who Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, me who say, to me solve a problem. Maybe I white day not in the crowd to me mao a day, I am re. On in Kumana, Seninia, I in Kuma, a doctor. Matthew Opoku Prempe, Dr. Napo, Dr. Prempe, the 2029 Vice President of the Republic. Omumienu, you see, Omobe solve Ghana problem. Emma Ghana yede abeya krabeshe. Inti 2029, yesho mo eye nimonyam. Sini awushe.
Okay, and Oka Dr. Bawumia semno.
Yeah.
Or say flats. Bawumia expresses sympathy, urges compliance with emergency directives. Where any poster or post your Facebook because say. This morning, my thoughts and prayers are with the thousands of people affected by the floods. My deepest sympathies to those who have lost their loved ones, properties, and those who have been forced out of their homes. So I urge citizens to comply with all directives issued by the government and to cooperate fully with institutions mandated to address the situation, he stated. I also urge the emergency services and all relevant authorities to do everything possible to reach to those in need and assist them. That is
yes,
Dr. Bawumia.
The 2029 president. Was Kasa. Or the encrasha sema yeden ama womo. You see, Osha this flooding situation in Ghana, dear homity. Because Mekai MPP Tiswono, you create a whole ministry. So what I say, a whole ministry. Edema, this water and sanitation Ghana has say ye. Ntobasha na budget da why yede ye juma. By the politics krum. Because say in so yiri kakrebi buy. Ba mati say kakrebi buy so that say e buy no. President Muhammad ye campaign. Ye politics den Ghana. So, Kufa the Creative Ministry of Sanitation and Zotana, a Yirifa Ghana for Ewo and crime. But, yen who said you will go for the pens? Yen who said in view? A Kufa do Bomodin, only Bawumia Bomodin, and then say a papa guho. Emma, it make sure say, Sanya Maui, say young to me tuna say crampa, a bit me a brenna no say. Inti MPP ye drink one kind. So to say, ye drink one kind. Then inti ni aye.
Edi esi Kumasi Kurase. What's it with the 24 hours economy policy? Ebe si den na sa market na wakwa ko siesi Kurana se no. Ebe contain 24 hours economy policy. Yay. Ocha asemo kan. or say $40 so. Na dollar na wa te so no intime reflect to nimpa bra ba wonye hwe. What dollar so? Enso nioma boa yedin. What dollar so? Enso ye ntwa de. What dollar so? Youth ni adwuma ye. What dollar so? Nurses gufia wo mu nya adwuma nye. What dollar so? Teachers gufia wie school wo mu nya adwuma nye. What dollar so? Yes hospitals no wo mu nimpa wo mu beda so. What dollar so? Yentia nurses ka. What dollar so? Yentia teachers ka. Indidie pa na ekere se amambo na NDC bu na ya papa. Die na ekere. Se dollar was 11 cedi. Se dollar no. Se dollar it was 17 cedi. And then na Kufuado. Na ye ton ade na ye ton. Na nyama boa ye de ba still now ye ton. Na dollar ba 11 cedi and the NDC government. By ye ta de ye nton. Enyama na ne boa ye de ne still now koso na ekoso. Edie na ekire wo, die na speak kire wo. Edie na ekire wo se NDC phone faili. Edie na ekire wo. Edie na ekire wo pass NDC party ni mfeli. NDC government ni mfeli. Edie na ekire.
Also va so pa ne say NDC party. So ne fa so bia also. So you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Me na my kasa am very calm because mba no mo ye fragile. We catch up plan. Kawano atum. Dr. Bawumia went to me for number from Ghana for name Dr. Bawumia. Obi any mo boss ko na work no. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my ben also they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Tempest who said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is show who see that can one etum. When you must say me no baby, the problems mum never brought now. So shut up. I'm a obusha for drama. Okay? Good.
Of Kennedy Japan saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it. And
that is brother.
If I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No,
so for this comment, I haven't heard it. So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's left with Honorable Kennedy or h0w Japan to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy or h0w Japan. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with a report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes. And look, it disintegrated the entire NDC. I visited him in Techiman when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you are talking about
computer. They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you,
it was that bad?
NPP won the 2016 election because of what happened in 2012. And we went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court looked at the weight of the evidence, agreed with most of the things that we sent there, and told us that elections are won at the polling station. We came and did a lot of reforms. We went, manned the polling stations, and won the elections from the polling stations. So we won the elections on our own merit. We did a lot of things before we went for that particular election, but we won the elections on our own merit. Whether we had a leader at the time or we did not.
Just say you nim issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na dan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals are not all right. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospital and a go sound and no woman say. It is a Kenyan saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, me on the funded free seniors, most of my comfort. You say, any Ghana for debut. I find a tables net and after the Mokika Mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nkɔ no ho. Asofo no mo nkɔmɔ no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Politicians ne nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Market women omo nkɔmɔ no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. 2020 dua, then you know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open nkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kwa ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open yanketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open yanketenkete. Is enya mo den. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then yet any in ho papa and I feel them watch them. Men are warning was such a messabi. Men are me catch you by John Dramani Mamas all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization started say yeah, most daddy. Digitalization and to kinky. It's more kinky sika. It's a mamu papa naba, mamu kinky, and mamu added a mocum. You will come here. And you are John Dramani Mama could not if I say. And can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1 which is never true.
Onya
juma or da and onya juma or da Amanam 1 for the first time nam 1 I post. Oh yes, nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say oh dependent boy.